Yeah, I just want to chit chat a little bit, man, about the upcoming Jordan 6 Ochres. I'm put them on the screen so you can take a look at them, man. But them joints are going to be an absolute must-have. Like, I don't know. I think it's because of the Carmine color blocking that we got on those. But yeah, it's something about that ochre colorway that's got me like really interested in those, man. We're gonna see what they do. I think they're gonna go absolutely bananas. But here lately, it ain't been a lot of shoes that's been going absolutely bananas. But we're gonna see what they do, man. I gotta have them. They drop in February, I think early February or maybe mid-February, but they're gonna be $200. So that's another thing. $200 for a pair of Jordan 6s. They don't have Nike Air on the butt, but I don't care. That color blocking is everything, man. I think it's just something about that yellow and that canary look, I guess. Man, them joints is gonna slap. I gotta have them, and yep, that's all I got for y'all, man. I just wanted to touch base and talk about them joints that's coming out. And then, I say I want to get them early, but yeah. But again, it's a 6. I may be able to get those early at a decent price. So we'll see, man. It's your boy Money Mad, man. I'm gone. Peace.